So this is the tree that got struck last night by the lightning. And you can see that it dug trenches wherever the root system was. I mean, it is like trenches where the lightning ran up and dug all these deep trenches. Look at all that. It was so loud. Look at that. It looks like, I mean, it's just amazing. If anybody was out here, that would have been the end. There's just a tree in our backyard, and it's such a pretty tree, but we're going to have to take it out because once it gets struck by lightning, especially to this degree, and it's traveled along the root system, so it's destroyed that, it's got to come down. So I've got somebody that's coming over that's gonna take it down. It's a big tree, so we'll end up getting it down, and it's close. Oh God, look at this hole. My God, look at that. I mean, look how deep these holes are. I mean, it uprooted, ran along that system, uprooted, tearing up the ground. So, but it's in close, what I was going to say was, it's not far from my garden. Here's my garden. So, my garden is right here. And this is the tree. So, it's got to come down. Our beautiful oak tree. But I thank God it did not hit the house directly, even though it shattered our kitchen window. And I thank God that we're safe. Just want to show you guys that.